Welcome to this review of the TP-Link Archer AX21 V5, a Wi-Fi 6 router. It targets apartments, small homes, remote workers, and mainstream broadband users, rather than enthusiasts seeking maximum specifications. We'll examine its wireless technology, ports, coverage, software, security, limitations, ideal buyers, alternatives, and value. The key question is whether it is a smart everyday upgrade. The AX21 V5 uses an AX800 dual-band design. Its 5 GHz band reaches up to 1,201 megabits, while 2.4 GHz reaches up to 574 megabits. Wi-Fi 6 features are central to the design. OFDMA lets multiple devices share a transmission efficiently, while MU-MIMO supports simultaneous streams. Beamforming directs wireless energy toward connected devices, and 1024 CAM allows more data per packet. These technologies focus on efficiency when many devices compete for network capacity. For wired networking, the AX21 has 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports for PCs, TVs, consoles, and other devices. The ports support up to 1,000 megabit. Its upright body has mounting slots for vertical installation, and 4 adjustable antennas provide tuning flexibility. The trade-off is a clear hardware ceiling. There is no 2.5 Gbps or USB port for storage and printer sharing. Every wired connection is capped at 1 gigabit, making it best suited to standard broadband. The X21's Wi-Fi 6 features are most useful in busy households. OFDMA improves airtime efficiency and can reduce latency, while MU-MIMO supports simultaneous communication with compatible clients. Beamforming directs signals towards specific devices, and WPA3 adds modern wireless security. These features can help smooth gaming, video calls, and streaming across multiple devices. However, Wi-Fi 6 does not increase your ISP's raw internet speed. Its advantage is using available bandwidth more efficiently. The review positions the AX21 as a stable everyday hub rather than a peak throughput champion. It is competent for simultaneous 4K streaming and video calls. Strongest results occur within about 1 to 2 rooms, while walls and distance reduce throughput. Its gigabit WAN and LAN design aligns with ordinary cable and fiber plans up to 1 gigabit. The main appeal is consistency and dependable connectivity rather than extreme benchmark performance. The AX21 fits apartments, condos, small to medium single-floor homes, modest 2-story layouts, and remote work offices. It is less suitable for large or concrete-heavy homes where mesh can handle dead zones better. Place the router high and centrally, avoid cabinets and dense metal objects, and keep it away from floor-level locations. The 4 antennas allow adjustment, with the review suggesting roughly 45-degree angles for balanced coverage. Beamforming helps active clients, but it cannot overcome every wall or distance limitation. The TP-Link Tether app makes setup and daily management approachable. It offers QR code onboarding, client management, guest network controls, firmware updates, and basic diagnostics. That makes the router accessible to non-technical users. Security features include WPA3 for compatible devices and Home Shield with basic parental controls and network scanning. VPN server support is also available through OpenVPN and PPTP. The review recommends updating firmware immediately, disabling remote administration, and enabling WPA3 where compatible. Overall, the software and security package provides a practical modern baseline. The AX21's strengths include accessible Wi-Fi 6 performance, good value for mainstream broadband, stable close-range performance, 4 gigabit LAN ports, WPA3 and Home Shield. Its limitations are equally important. The 1 gigabit ceiling prevents full use of multi-gig fiber. There is no USB support or 160 MHz channel width. It also lacks a 6 GHz band, giving Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 routers more future runway. Coverage is not a replacement for mesh in large or concrete-heavy homes. The X21 succeeds by keeping the essentials. The X21 works best when its limits match the network you already have. For standard gigabit cable or fiber, 1 gigabit connectivity is practical. WPA3, Home Shield, and Tether also give ordinary homes a modern foundation. Without 2.5 Gbps or multi-gig WAN, services above 1 gigabit cannot reach full potential. The absence of 160 MHz support and 6 GHz spectrum limits high-bandwidth Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 devices. Missing USB support and modest coverage reinforce its mainstream focus. The strongest match is a user seeking a simple Wi-Fi 6 upgrade. Apartment and small home owners are well-suited, particularly with single-floor layouts. Cable or fiber users with plans up to 1 gigabit can also make good use of it. Remote workers benefit from stable video calls and simple tether management, while first-time Wi-Fi 6 upgraders get an accessible entry point from Wi-Fi 5. It should be skipped by multi-gig subscribers, NAS users, content creators needing fast local transfers, large homeowners, and enthusiasts seeking Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7. Different network demands call for different upgrade paths. If you need more bandwidth without full mesh complexity, an AX3000 class router from TP-Link or ASUS offers greater headroom. For large or multi-story homes with dead zones, TP-Link Deco or Aero-style mesh systems are more appropriate. For fiber above 1 gigabit or Wi-Fi 7 support, look for hardware with 2.5 Gbps or faster networking. If local storage or printer sharing matters, choose a USB-enabled router or dedicated NAS. The AX21 serves a narrower mainstream use case. The Archer AX21 V5 earns a 7.5 out of 10. Its fundamentals are strong: dependable Wi-Fi 6 performance, stable everyday connectivity, WPA3 security, and approachable tether management. Its main weakness is limited future runway. 1 gigabit networking, no USB support, no 6 GHz band, and modest coverage make it less attractive for enthusiasts and demanding homes. But for an apartment or modest home with a standard broadband plan, it remains a sensible Wi-Fi 6 upgrade. The AX21 focuses on the essentials and handles them reliably.